Hey, AK-51 fans, AK-51 here. This year, I graduate and going to Disney, but I never gonna buy something I want. But I will buy it at Hollywood Studios on Christmas time. And the guys it'd be blue. I'm gonna tell you that, but I am a Star Wars geek in my house, and like swords. You guys want me next time I go back to Disney? You want me buy the Mandalorian lightsaber? Mandalorian lightsaber, because that is the real lightsaber from the shows to shows. And I am going to vacation on a cruise, but I can't bring my thing with me, the called lightsaber, not going with me. But I am getting a lightsaber, and I got a new sub from me. It is Ak. Ak is a new person. He's a YouTuber too. I met him yesterday. He's a cool dude. Subscribe to him and have fun. And I still need to go rant and make a thing. So I'm not talking to you guys that much, and I'll probably doing the video at Disney. I will try at JoJo World to meet me at Hollywood Studios or somewhere, because I'm trying to do. I'm gonna be happy. AK-51 Rant fan out. See you Disney World. Peace out.